What's it? That was some good rice cereal, huh? Okay. Okay, I get it.
He's like out of breath from all this talking.
I know. He's putting a lot into that.
Jack.
Oh,
Jack.
no.
Jack,
Jack.
look, you're on camera. He's always like that.
Jack.
Make eye contact. Hey.
Oh, okay. Wow.
He's totally cheesing it up
I'm
for
gonna
it.
clean myself up a little bit here.
Why are you going to the side?
It's his new move.
Why are you going to the side? You trying to get out? So I'm done with dinner. Get me out. Get me out. Good job, buddy.